Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed, and I'm here to demonstrate how to make a Colorado Bulldog. Take your highball glass, your bucket glass, fill with ice. So this drink has vodka and coffee liqueur. You can use Kahlúa. That's about an ounce of each. I'll free pour here. It's technically a white Russian with Coke, with cola. So it's vodka, Kahlúa, or vodka, coffee liqueur, and you can use milk or cream, and a splash of cola. A little foamy, that's normal. A couple straws, and that's it, a Colorado Bulldog. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, head over to bartender-themed. You'll find a full line of t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, and hats, and more. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.